Hi everyone, and welcome back to Inside Elegance. I'm Ashley, and today we're going to dive into one of my favorite parts of fall decorating, bringing the warmth and beauty of autumn indoors through cozy mantel decor ideas. If you love transforming your home for the seasons, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing creative tips on how to style your mantel for fall using natural elements, textures, and seasonal colors. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more home decor inspiration, and hit the like button if you're excited about fall decorating. I'd also love to hear your ideas in the comments, so feel free to share how you're bringing autumn into your home. When it comes to fall decor, the secret to making your mantel feel cozy is all about layering textures. Think of soft, chunky knits, rustic wood elements, and woven baskets. These create a warm, inviting look that instantly makes you feel at home. Start by adding a large, neutral-toned base, like a rustic wooden tray or linen runner. Then, build up your design with cozy throws draped over the side, or even add knit pumpkins for a playful touch. Mixing textures like smooth ceramics with rough burlap or woven fabrics can create that perfect balance between chic and cozy. Textures not only provide visual interest but also add depth to your decor, making your mantel the coziest spot in your home this fall. One of the easiest ways to bring the essence of autumn indoors is by using natural elements. Pumpkins, pine cones, and seasonal greenery are absolute must-haves for fall mantel decor. Start by arranging a mix of real or faux pumpkins in different sizes and colors. White, orange, and even deep green gourds can make a big impact. Scatter pine cones or acorns around them for added texture. Don't forget to add some greenery like eucalyptus or wheat stalks. These not only add a soft, organic touch but also introduce subtle movement, which brings your mantel to life. Incorporating nature's bounty helps ground your decor, tying everything together with the outdoors and giving your space that true autumnal feel. Fall is all about rich, earthy tones, but you don't have to stick to just oranges and browns. There's a whole palette of autumn-inspired colors you can play with. Deep burgundies, mustard yellows, and forest greens are great for adding depth and drama to your mantle. If you prefer a more understated look, opt for softer shades like cream, blush, or muted gold. The key is to create a balance. Mixing bolder colors with neutral tones can create a look that feels sophisticated but still festive. Add in pops of color through accessories like candles, vases, or art, but remember, you don't have to go overboard. A few well-placed items can make all the difference in creating a chic fall atmosphere. When decorating your mantle, one of the most important things to keep in mind is creating visual balance. You want to vary the heights and shapes of the objects you place on your mantle to keep the eye moving and the space interesting. Start with a large focal point, like a mirror or fall-themed artwork, in the center. From there, add taller items like candlesticks or lanterns to one side, and balance it out with smaller pieces on the opposite side. Staggering the heights creates movement and makes the overall design feel dynamic. If everything is the same size, the look can fall flat. By balancing taller and shorter elements, your mantle will feel thoughtfully styled and full of life. No fall mantle would be complete without warm, flickering light to set the mood. Candles and lanterns are perfect for creating that soft, cozy glow that we all crave during the cooler months. You can use pillar candles in varying heights to add dimension, or opt for a set of lanterns filled with battery-operated fairy lights for a whimsical touch. Don't be afraid to mix in metallic accents like gold or brass candle holders, which can add a touch of elegance to your fall decor. For an extra cozy vibe, place your candles inside glass hurricane jars or tuck them among your pumpkins and greenery. The soft light will cast beautiful shadows, transforming your mantle into a warm, welcoming focal point. Your mantel is the perfect place to showcase a bit of your personality, so don't be afraid to add personal touches to your fall decor. Whether it's a family heirloom, a favorite framed photo, or a set of vintage books, these unique elements can make your mantel feel truly one of a kind. You can also incorporate DIY decor like handmade garlands or painted pumpkins for a fun, creative twist. Personalizing your mantel not only makes the space feel more Hue, but it also creates a conversation starter for guests. It's these small, meaningful details that will make your fall mantel stand out, adding warmth and charm to your home as you celebrate the season. Thank you so much for joining me today on Inside Elegance. I hope you found some inspiration to cozy up your mantel for the fall season. Remember, decorating is all about having fun and creating a space that feels warm and welcoming to you. Whether you love playing with textures, incorporating nature, or adding your own personal touch, there's no right or wrong way to style your mantel. I'd love to hear how you're decorating for fall, so please drop a comment below and share your ideas. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Inside Elegance for more home decor tips and inspiration, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy decorating!